Welcome to Choo Choo TV.
Hi honey, I thought I would find you up here. And you have B, cuddling with you too.
Yes, B likes to be in our rooftop garden. Maybe it reminds him of when he was a kitten.
That's right, you rescued B, from the backyard at your school. B was a street cat.
I remember, a friend and I were at work, and we were about to get lunch together, when we heard a sound from outside.
You went to investigate, and found the kind school maintenance man, feeding a young, abandoned street cat.
This kitty is so friendly, you can feed him too.
And every day for 2 weeks, I spent my coffee break at work, feeding this sweet little street cat. But winter was coming, and I thought, what will happen to this sweet friendly kitty cat? And just then, it started to rain. And in came a scary storm. And I did not think that the poor little cat would survive the night. So right there and then, I decided to rescue him and adopt him. Hi sweetie, do you remember me telling you that I have been feeding a street cat at work?
Yeah, and?
Do you think we should rescue him?
Are you trying to tell me that you already rescued him?
Maybe. We'll be home in 5 minutes.
Okay. And then, you named him B in Korean, which is pronounced B in English.
Yes, because B means rain in Korean.
And B is a poster boy for rescue animals.
Absolutely. He is the sweetest cat in the house, a real gentle giant.
And he inspired us to rescue more street cats.
And we'll tell you that story next time. Take care.